Do you also often feel bloated? Last week has been a terrible one for me. My stomach felt bloated, and no matter what I was eating, it just didn't help. I felt quite uneasy and restless. I reached out to my friend who is also a yoga teacher, and she told me about some meditation techniques that help with digestion. I tried them and it did work. So our technique for today is Kapalbhati. Hey guys, today in Meditate with me, I will show you how Kapalbhati is beneficial for better digestion. But before I start, let me tell you something that I recently read. Kapalbhati helps improve the lung capacity and improves the metabolic rate. It energizes the nervous system and rejuvenates brain cells. Now let's get started. Sit in a comfortable posture with your spine upright, shoulders relaxed and chin parallel to the floor. You may choose to sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana. Place your palms facing upwards on the thighs. Take a deep breath in, expanding the abdomen as you inhale. Exhale and release the air, gently contracting the abdomen. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Inhalation is passive and exhalation is forceful. Continue this inhalation and exhalation 20 times. 20 repetitions of breaths, finish one round. After completing the round, relax with your eyes closed and observe the sensations in your body. Do 2 more rounds of Kapalbhati. Some things to remember. The exhalation in Kapalbhati is active and forceful, so just throw out your breath. Don't worry about the inhalation. The moment you relax your abdominal muscles, inhalation will happen naturally. Practice 3 rounds of this with 20 to 30 breaths in each round. Gradually, you can build the practice for up to 50 breaths each round. Practice this technique at home on an empty stomach. Avoid if you have any digestive disorders or are currently menstruating. It is recommended to practice this a few hours before meals and avoid it at night time. Now let's meditate with me. Come to any comfortable seated posture of your choice. Sukhasana, Vajrasana or Padmasana. You can also practice this seated on a chair. Make sure your spine is upright, shoulders are relaxed, chin is parallel to the floor. Palms can be on your thighs, facing down or upwards. Making sure you're completely relaxed. You can close your eyes gently as you bring your awareness to your natural breath for a few moments before we start the practice. Inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Inhalation is passive and exhalation is forceful. Making sure you focus on my voice, guiding you through positive affirmations. This will help you with your breath and spreading positivity throughout your body. Begin at your own pace, making sure that your breath is neutral and don't force the movement. I am in control of my life. I am choosing to change my food, eating, and other habits to create the life I want. I am choosing to take better care of my body. I am in charge of my choices. I am stronger than my urges. I deserve to be healthy. I am blessed and grateful for all that I have. I believe in myself. Practice 2 more rounds of this with 10 to 20 breaths in each round. Gradually, you can build the practice for up to 50 breaths each round. It is recommended to practice this a few hours before meals and avoid it at night time. When you're ready, simply bring your hands to the heart center, tuck in your chin, open your palms like a book. With a few gentle blinks, open your eyes, look straight into your hands and release. Hope you enjoyed the refreshing meditation practice. You know, since the moment I've been practicing these breathing techniques, I actually felt a difference. My stomach feels better and I feel better. So if you also feel bloated or have difficulty digesting food, then you can try this technique. Make sure you consult a medical practitioner to know what is right for you. Before I go, here are some affirmations that you should try while meditating. I am in control of my life. I am stronger than my urges. I deserve to be healthy. I am blessed and grateful for all that I have. I believe in myself. So, what do you do for better digestion? Do share your thoughts with us and keep watching this space for more such content.